Fat Choy, mga Dabber Cats!
Hi, Dabber Cats! Kong Hey Fat Choy!
Ayan po, isang araw na naman po, panibagong araw, panibagong kwento na naman po ang ating matutunghayan ngayon dito sa Love for All for Love, magmahalan tayo. Ako nga po pala ang inyong Cebuanang DJ na si Malaya. Maayong hapon kaninyong tanan.
And yes, everyone, I'm Kopya.
Yes.
Hi, everyone! Hi to
Ayun.
all our Dabber Cats!
Ayun mga Dabber Cats, before po tayo magsimula sa ating love problem of the day, mag-shoutout po muna tayo sa ating mga magaganda at guwapo na mga Dabber Cats na nanonood ngayon sa ating Facebook Live. Hello kay
Yes.
Karen San Diego, pa-shoutout po, Hugo Family, San Diego Family. At kay Marites Carlos, sabi niya, hello po Dabber Cats.
Yes, to Faith Isabel Johnson and the Nugrao family po. Pa-shoutout po. Hi!
Ayan, at happy birthday kay Paula Parada galing kay Pauline Parada.
Marites Carlos, hello!
At kay Angelica May Golyoy, shoutout po sa Golyoy family.
Colleen Munoz, pa-shoutout po sa Munoz family. Hi, Munoz family!
Ayan, Eliza May Alip, shoutout po sa inyo dyan sa Romblon.
Yes!
At kay Joy ni Lubabor na nanonood ngayon. Hello po, maganda.
Hi, Joy. Danny Galang, shoutout po sa Galang family from Danny Galang.
Ayun, MG Sebastian, pa-shoutout naman po sa pamilya Monica at Sebastian Pamilya. Salamat po. Ayan mga Dabber Cats, please pakishare po ng ating Facebook Live ngayon
Yes,
para marami pong makapanood na Dabber
on
Cats
sharing.
natin. Yes. At shoutout po ulit kay Malanay Irish. Shoutout po sa Malanay family.
Oh, there seems to have a problem.
Oh.
Okay. Melanay Irish, yes. Shout out Melanay family. Teresa Valdez. Shout out po sa Valdez and Navalta family. Hi,
Hello din
everyone.
sa inyo dyan, Rosella Humarang at kay Eliza Marie Susangyo, Michelle Obsemia. Pa-shoutout po sa inyo dyan, mga CLs.
Capilius Barry, shout out to Fajardo family.
Hello, CJ Tell Hi at sa Magdato family.
Emily Clemente, pa-shoutout po sa Clemente family from Iligan City. Hi
Ayan.
to all the
At shoutout
Iligan
din po-
City people.
Hello po sa inyo dyan. At kay Glads Lopez, ayan, Dabber Cats, keep on watching po para sa storya natin today.
Yes.
So, kahapon, Kopya,
Yes.
yung ating story kahapon is all about ML o ako?
Yes,
Mobile
exactly.
Legends o ako?
Millennial
Pang-millennial.
problem.
Yes. So, ngayon naman, boyfriend versus best friend.
Boyfriend versus best friend.
Yes,
The
ang
other
hirap din,
before, girlfriend versus the girlfriend.
Yes.
The best friend of the girlfriend.
Yes.
Like that.
So ngayon
Like
naman,
that.
boyfriend versus best friend. Ayan. So wag na natin patagalin pa. Basahin na po natin ang ating love story for today.
Okay.
Hello po DJ Malaya and Hopya. Ako po si Renz from Porac, Pampanga. Gusto ko lang po i-share ang story ko at ang problema ko po ngayon. May girlfriend po ako. Siya po si Amy. 3 months pa lang po kami pero nararamdaman ko na pong siya na ang the one.
Wow.
May ganun talaga, no?
Yeah. Even in a little time.
Oo,
Yes.
kahit
You will feel
Bago
that.
pa sila.
Yes.
Hindi po naging madali yung panliligaw ko sa kanya dahil marami siyang kaibigang lalaki. Kaya para patunayan na seryoso ako sa kanya, niligawan ko na rin pati yung mga kaibigan niya.
Yeah.
Ay, bihira yung ganitong
And that's
lalaki.
the
ah.
really a good attitude.
Yes.
Really a good attitude.
Pero sa kanyang circle of friends, pinaka-close siya kay Joshua.
Joshua.
Remember the name, Joshua. Sa sobrang close nila, napapagkamalang sila. Kaya nga noong nalaman ko na magkaibigan lang talaga silang dalawa, doon ko palang pinormahan si Amy.
Oh, okay.
Noong naging kami po ni Amy, sobrang saya ko. Pero hindi ko maiwasang magselo sa tuwing nandyan si Joshua.
Why that happening? What do you think?
Let's see. Tingnan
Okay.
natin yung story,
Let's see.
ha?
Okay, let's see.
Ano kayong mangyayari?
Eh,
So si Amy at si Joshua ang mag-best friend. Tapos si Rent ang boyfriend. Tingnan natin mga orbs kung ano mangyayari sa storya nila, no?
babe,
Babe,
Ay,
Babe, can we go to the
ba't
waiting
parang familiar
area?
yung babae?
Because look at Joshua is only one.
Joshua. Di ba mamasyal pa tayo? Nasaan ba yung iba mong tropa?
Yeah, I know, babe. We're going. But please, let Joshua first ride a car. And once he ride a car, we can go. Because you know what, babe? I feel really sad when Joshua is alone. Let's go, babe. Please.
Sige, sige.
Yeah.
Familiar talaga yung babae.
Ami!
Hi, Joshua.
Buti naman, pumunta ka.
Yeah.
Kanina pa ako dito eh. Ako lang mag-isa. Kanina ko pa hinihintay yung mga Dabber Kids natin. Tagal-tagal.
But you know what, Joshua?
Tara,
You know
upo muna
me,
tayo.
Joshua, when it comes to you, everything is gonna be, you know. Yeah.
Thank you.
But,
Ano?
Joshua, what happened to your hair?
Ay,
I told you not to do that hair in the side.
sorry. Nakalimutan ko kasi nagmadali na ako kasi hindi na nga ako nakaligo ngayon eh. Dumiretso
My
na ako
gosh,
dito.
Joshua, but don't do it again, okay?
Opo, sorry po.
It's not, to you look not good, yeah.
Sorry. Thank you. Concern ka talaga sa akin.
You know that. Okay, next time. Okay, next time. Okay,
Thank you.
next time. Yeah.
Ayun. Saan ka galing?
I just get something.
Nakita mo ba yung story kanina?
Ay,
Girl, napaka-familiar nung babae. Parang
really?
kilala ko. Oo.
Oh, but wait.
Let's
Let's continue
You read the story.
The story, okay.
Okay.
I will continue reading.
Parang nasistress ka.
No,
girl.
not really. You
Okay,
know
okay,
me.
okay.
Kinikim-kim ko na nagsiselos ako kay Joshua. Natatakot kasi ako na mag-away kami ni Ami. Ito pa ang nakaka-bother sa akin. Mas madalas kaming mag-date ni Ami nang kasama si Joshua kesa kaming dalawa lang. So there's
Ay.
no us moment.
Oo. Walang babe time.
Yeah,
Diba?
always three.
Oo.
Always trio. Tapos, kapag bibili si Ami ng personal needs niya, mas nagko-consult siya kay Joshua.
Oh.
Clingy rin sila sa isa't isa. Clingy?
Para talaga sila magjowa,
yes,
no?
Yes. Clingy? Clingy.
Clingy.
Okay.
Clingy.
Isang
Hopya.
araw, di ko na kinaya pang itago kay Ami ang nararamdaman ko.
Ayun. So, what do you think will happen?
Yes, I think there's a lot of problem for sure.
Oh,
But
sige,
I should
girl.
go there to get something.
Oh, sige.
Because I'm in a
Balik
hurry.
ka,
But
ha?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
You're so
Okay,
clingy,
yeah.
Clingy, Ayan, balikan na po natin yung kwento.
Babe.
Ay, ayan na naman si girl.
Babe. Pwede ba next time, wag mo muna natin isama si Joshua? Kasi, di na tayo, nagka-date na tayo lang eh.
Babe, are you telling me that? Babe, look at Joshua. He's not feeling any awkwardness to you. And then you?
Yun na nga
My
eh.
gosh.
Yun na nga, baby. Yun na nga, kasi, syempre, hindi na siya nahihiya sa atin. Siyempre, hindi na tayo makalabas na tayo lang at hindi na kita masolo, babe.
So what? If it's that's happening, he's my friend
Yeah,
ever since.
alam ko. Sa sobrang clingy nyo,
Clingy.
clingy pala.
Yeah.
Bisaya, sorry. Sa sobrang clingy nyo, sa isa't isa, sa harapan ko pa, sobrang sakit nun, babe. Parang di naman ata tama yun.
Gosh, babe. As in right now, you're talking everything like that? Babe, if you're going to insist everything that I need to, get away to Joshua, that's not right. Don't talk to me anymore if you're going to insist that.
Babe.
Just go far away. Not now.
Babe.
Not now, please.
Babe.
I don't want to hear any explanation. Not now. Oh my gosh!
Babe, I'm...
Ay, grabe. Biglang nagalit. Nagwala si Amy dun sa story, Day. Grabe talaga. Hindi ko... Uy, Day!
Yes. But
Bumalik ka.
no, the chair.
Ay,
No
kasi
chair.
sabi ng boss natin, lagi ka daw umaalis. Aalisin ka na daw dito.
No, just for now.
Just for now. Ano, may inasikaso ka doon?
Okay.
Okay. Bakit pangalan mo, Amy?
I know.
Ba't ka nakasalamin? Ba't siya? Ang weird. Parang, ayan.
You know, I'm very useful actress.
Yeah, very versatile.
Yes.
Diba? Okay. Sige, pagpatuloy na natin yung kwento. Nirerespeto ko naman po yung friendship nila. Pero para sa akin, may limit yon. Lalo na kapag may boyfriend na ang kaibigan mong babae. Nagsorry na lang ako kay Amy para magkabati na kaming dalawa. Pero hindi ko po pa rin talaga maiwasang magselo sa kanilang dalawa. Ayokong mamili siya between me and Joshua. Pero paano naman po yung nararamdaman ko? Mananahimik na lang ba ako lagi para hindi kami mag-away? Dapat ko rin po bang kausapin si Joshua? O baka sobrang babaw ko lang? Ma-appreciate ko po ang mga advices nyo. Salamat po. Hashtag, ako naman please, Renz.
And clingy.
Hashtag clingy, no? Ang hirap ng sitwasyon ni Renz. Alam mo, naiintindihan ko si Renz eh. Kasi,
Yes.
first Renz, sinabi mo na 3 months pa lang kayo, so bago pa. Give Amy the benefit of the doubt. Kasi baka, nagkakaroon siya ng parang separation anxiety sa best friend niya.
Yes,
Siyempre, di ba?
yes.
Parang sanay na sanay siya na nandyan si Joshua most of the time.
Yes.
So ngayon na bago pa kayo, give Amy time na unti-unting, ano ba?
You will
Mag-
realize.
Mag-distansya kay Joshua. Kasi parang naninibago pa rin siguro siya na now that she already has a boyfriend. Diba? Si Renz. So,
Exactly.
it takes trust din, Renz, para para hindi ka mag-doubt sa relationship niyong dalawa ni Amy. Kasi ngayon talagang nangingibabaw yung selos mo kasi nag-overthink ka. Na kasi parang mas sweet sila, parang nagkakaroon siya ng time kay Joshua kaysa sa akin. So, yun lang. Trust each other. And of course, if you have time, talk to Amy, sabihin mo, you set boundaries. Kasi ipaintindi mo sa kanya na ikaw yung boyfriend, ngayon na may boyfriend ka na, talagang may kahati na si Joshua sa oras mo. Kailangan ding maintindihan ni Amy na si Joshua ay kaibigan lang niya at may boyfriend din siya. Which is ikaw, Renz. Yun din. Set boundaries lang and limitations.
Yes, exactly
What can
your
you say?
point. I got it.
Mhm.
Everything that you're saying is really good.
Thank you.
But you know, Renz,
Uh-huh.
Trust is like a time.
Mhm.
Okay? It's golden. It's gold. Yes. But seriously, that's really a good advice. Because look back to the first time that you want to court Amy, like that.
Mhm.
So when you want to court, you have to trust. Okay? And to you, Renz, you can talk to the best friend, man to man. Okay? Because that's the best thing you can do. Because when man and man talks, they have the understanding.
Yes.
And that
Totoo
understanding
yun.
will lead to a good situation.
Yes.
Because when girlfriend and boyfriend talk, sometimes there are arguments and sometimes you give way to the girlfriend like that.
Totoo.
But when you talk to the best friend, man to man, maybe the situation that you're really thinking right now, maybe it can fix. Because when you talk to him like, please leave alone like that to my girlfriend, it's okay. The guy will understand and then he will the one who will live alone.
Yes. Tsaka, bigyan may caller? May caller?
Okay, there's a
May
caller.
sasabihin ba siya?
Please answer
I
first.
will answer. Hello po, aming bahay mabuhay. Yes. Ano po yung advice na mabibigay po nila? Pwede po bang magpa-reserve daw?
Yes.
Babalikan po namin kay mamaya.
Talk
Ha,
to
ma'am?
us later.
Yes po. Thank you po.
Please watch our Facebook Live. Yes.
Tsaka ito din, Renz, you also have to understand na mahirap talagang iwan yung mga nakasanayan mo, di ba? Yun nga, separation anxiety. Give Amy time and it is very important na open kayo sa isa't isa. Sabihin mo talaga sa kanya ng maayos yung nararamdaman mo towards Joshua pag magkasama silang dalawa.
Yes. And you know, be honest because you know, honesty is the best
Policy.
policy, okay?
Totoo yun.
Yeah. You know, and You know that.
Yes.
That's the advice that we can give for now.
Yes.
And that's the end of the advice.
Oo. Tsaka kay Amy din kung sakali mang nanonood si Amy ngayon, Amy, ikaw din, you give importance to your boyfriend. Pag babe time, babe time. Pag love time, love time.
Yes. Know how
Yes.
to separate best friend to boyfriend.
Yes. So basahin natin yung mga advice ng
Yes,
ating
please.
Dabbercats dito. Sabi ni Josh Ann Emmer, it's better na kausapin mo muna ulit si girlfriend, explain your side, pero wag pasigaw or hahantong sa away. And then kausapin mo rin si Josh. Explain and tell him na medyo awkward or nasasaktan ka na kasi parang mas sweet pa sila kung mabuting best friend siya. Maiintindihan niya yan. Kasi lalaki rin siya. Pero never ask your girlfriend to distance his best friend. Kasi kanina si Amy nagalit.
Yes.
Diba nagalit agad si
Overacting.
Amy? Wala pang sinasabi
Yes.
si Renz. Nagalit na si Amy.
Because
Ang daming sinasabi ni Amy.
Because I
See
think
that?
she's stressed
Oh,
with
yes.
stress like that,
Oo.
maybe. Yeah. And I will read one comment. Rogelio Zuniga. Ate girl, know your limits. May boyfriend ka po. Best friend mo lang si Joshua.
Yes.
Yes, that's really right. That you know your limitations.
Tama. At sabi din dito ni Maysel Go Jimenez, trust is the foundation of a good relationship. Tiwala lang, Kuya Renz, kasi hindi ka naman siguro sasagutin ni Amy kung hindi ka niya mahal, di ba? And alam naman talaga ni Renz na maraming guy friends si
Yes.
Amy to begin with, di
Yes,
ba?
exactly.
So, parang nung niligawan mo si Amy Renz, part na din yon. Isa na yun sa mga, kumbaga, challenges na aware ka na marami talaga siyang close na lalaki, lalong-lalo na si Joshua.
Yes,
Yun.
but I think Renz is, just separate the time for the best
Oo.
friends and then for
Yes.
him.
And
like
also
that.
set really limitations,
Yes.
di ba?
And
Sabi din ni Kenneth Earl Medrano, may advice po ako kay ate girl or Amy. Amy, please don't be manhid. I-feel mo yung ma-feel ng lalaki kung si Renz ang may ganyan na best friend. Di ba super sakit?
yes.
At kay Guy, try mo na wag magselo sa kanila kahit masakit para sa atin. Trust me, magugulat si girl kasi bakit di ka na nagsiselos. Pero yun na nga, kayo lang ang magkakasettle niyan. Totoo
Yes.
yan. Coming from a guy's perspective.
Yes, at
diba?
the end of the day, the two of you will, fix that.
Yes.
Marcel Go Jimenez. Amy, pahalagahan mo din yung maaring maramdaman ng partner mo.
Totoo.
Yes. It's really important.
Parang, oo. Sabi din dito ni Jonathan Rubica, naghahanap siya ng kadate ngayong Feb 14. Baka pwede ka, Hopya. Sabi niya,
no,
single
I'm
here
taken.
from Laguna. Dapat ba ako mamoblema sa Feb 14?
No, because you can celebrate love with the family, with the
Oh,
friends,
yes.
not just the lovers.
Yes,
Yeah.
totoo yan. Pero,
Oh, Dabbercats, if you're looking for single, look for Jonathan Robica
Robica.
from Laguna, okay?
Yes.
You can comment here so that we can set up like that.
yes! Aray. So mga Dabbercats, pag kayo po may love messages din po kayo sa inyong loved ones, i-comment nyo lang po yan dito sa live natin. O kaya, pag may love problems kayo tungkol sa pamilya, sa inyong boyfriend, asawa, ayan, send nyo lang po sa eatbulaga1979@gmail.com. So maraming salamat po sa mga nag-comment. We really appreciate.
Yes, so all
It
the
can-
commenters, yes, today, thank you for commenting and for viewing us.
So Renz, makinig kang mabuti. Sana maging okay ka na at magkausap na kayo. So this song is
It's
for
for
you
you.
by our music hero.
Nagpapaalam ka dahil nasaktan kita. Nooy di makitang mali ako. Ngayon'y alam ko na sa'yo'y nagkasala. Sana muli ako'y mapatawad pa. Araw-araw kang lumuluha sa akin ay
nagmamakaawa, nooy di marinig pagsamo mo. Bakit pa ba nagawa? Nasaktan ko ang isang tulad mo na labis na nagmamahal. Di napansin na walang katulad ng alin ang pag-ibig mo sa akin. Ako sana muli ay patawarin.
Galing mo. Yes. Your hair, I told you.
Bakit pa ba nagawa?
Sweetheart, yes.
Nasaktan ko para sa tulad mo na labis
Yes, babe.
na
Very okay.
nagmamahal.
RJ. your
Hindi napansin na
You can do it, Joshua.
walang katulad ng alay ng pag-ibig mo
Higher, higher, Joshua.
sa akin. Ako sana muli
Please.
ay patawarin.
Babe,
Ay, babe. Come here, babe. Babe.
Ano ba
I
yan?
didn't see you. Gosh, I didn't see you.
Parang
Go,
ramdam
go,
ko
go.
yung sakit ni Renz doon, ha? Ayan, Dabber Cats. Ang music video po ng Music Hero, nakalawakan po. Mapapanood nyo pa rin po yan sa YouTube channel ng Eat Bulaga. And please po, please subscribe to Eat Bulaga's YouTube channel. 3,000 subscribers na lang, Dabber Cats!
Yes,
Road to
3,000.
1 million na tayo subscribers. Dahil ang dami na natin.
1 million?
1 million.
Keep on
Ayan.
subscribing.
Isang beses na sila pwedeng mag-subscribe.
The other people. Yes. The other people.
Ayan. Uy, thank you din po sa mga gumanap sa ating story of the day. Si Kenneth,
Kenneth.
Manly.
Rins Birano. Ayan.
Yes, thank you so much.
And of course, myself.
Yes, oh, very good.
The
Very
multitasker.
versatile, ah.
Very
Multitasking. Ayan po, sana po may natutunan po kayo sa story ngayon at sa mga kaparehas po ng sitwasyon nila Amy, Joshua o ni Renz sa mga nananaw karon. I hope nga nakakuha mo lesson sa atong love story of the day. Ayan po.
Sakit nun.
Thank you so much, Team Online.
Yes, thank
Bukas
you so
naman po,
much.
araw ng Wednesday. Eat Bulaga po, 12 noon.
Yes. You watch, okay? Tomorrow, another story, but you forgot. Thank
Yes.
you.
JR.
JR.
Thank you,
Yes.
JR.
Thank you for covering your face. Thank you to myself. I survive again. Yes. Very useful
Very
today.
good, Hopia. Very productive, Hopia.
Yes, I'm very.
Ayan, bukas po ulit dito lang sa
Love for all for love, magmahalan tayo.
Go, Chipacha!
Bye, Dabber Cats. See you again.
Bakit pa ba nagawa? Nasaktan ko ang sa tulad mo na labis na nagmamahal.
Yeah, baby.
Di napansin na walang katulad
Go, man.
ng alay ng pag-ibig
Ang ganda naman ni Amy.
You know
Naman
me
ang dalawang lalaki.
from the very beginning.
Yes.
Dagang salamat po mga Dabber Cats.
Thank you.
Ako
Thank you, Dabber
sana
Cats.
muli
Go, Joshua.
Go.
ay patawarin. Wow, wow.
Very heartwarming music. Thank you, Music Hero.
Kongay Pachoy!
Bye, everyone. Bye, Pachoy. Yes.